to my channel. My name is Charlotta. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me in another video. It's still Vlogmas, so we are still doing Christmas crafts. And this is a card that we've been making this week. So I thought to share that with you as well. It's a 3D Christmas tree folded card. This one we just created in a Zoom class, so this one is still drying. You can see it's a bit wobbly from the glue still, but it turned out quite fun. So I thought maybe some of you guys want to make one of these as well. It's quite easy to do. You only need paper, glue and cotton, and maybe some blue paint and sparkles for the background. Yeah, okay, let's do this. So I'm simply starting off with folding an A4 card paper into a folded card. And then I fold this green paper in this zigzag way back and forth. And that is what is creating the beautiful Christmas tree inside. And then I cut it up into different sections, longer and then shorter. The longest ones goes down, and that will be the branches, so long, from long to short, moving upwards. And depending on how closely you put them, you can fit 4, 5, maybe even 6 of them, 6 branches in a row. And then you glue them on inside the crease of the card so that it will fold open as a pop-up when you open up the card. So that's the simple way of creating this pop-up Christmas tree. And now you can obviously decorate your card exactly like you want. I'm just going to show you how I did mine. So I painted the stem inside the tree, and then I made these baubles out of red and yellow paper. I have this circle cutter stapler, so that one cut out the circles, and then I just glue them on each branch to decorate the tree. And then I also added a golden string to make it a little bit shiny and Christmassy. You can obviously choose a different colored paper if you want. I chose a white one because I wanted to paint the background in blue. But if you use, for example, a light blue card, or maybe even a red, could look nice. One of my art kids used red paper for her card for her parents, and that turned out quite nice as well. I can show you at the end of this video how her card turned out. She is now, hold on, she's 4 years old, so she needed a little bit of help with gluing on the branches in the right place, but other than that, this is quite a fun and easy thing to do for your kids as well. If you want to make cards for their grandparents or neighbors or maybe teachers, this is quite a fun craft to do together with your kids. So here I just painted the background, as you can see, and then I glued on cotton as snow. So snow on the ground, and then I'm adding snowflakes to the sky as well. So it is snowing as we speak. Do you have any traditions with Christmas cards? Do you send Christmas cards at all? Do you make them yourself, or do you buy them from the shop? This year I actually made a card out of the reindeer painting that I made, and I just printed loads of them because I didn't have time to do hand painted ones as I did last year, and I wanted to send out quite a few of them, so it was the easier way of just recreating out of just one painting. I just printed loads of them and sent them to all clients and friends and family and whatnot. I'll share that in a video coming up as well. So that's it, super easy. Björn's your uncle. That is how you make this 3D card out of paper. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it made you feel inspired to do some hand handcrafted cards for your loved ones for Christmas. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please do hit subscribe down below. It helps me as a creator as well, so I do appreciate it. Leave a comment, say hello, and yes, I shall see you in next video. Ha det bra!